Alright, hi everybody, Mr. Taylor here. Let's take a look at example 2 from section 11.1 where we want to look at these equations with variables on both sides, but in this particular circumstance we are given the actual equation and we want to come up with a scenario that fits that particular equation. Well, as we've seen in example 1, an equation with the variable on both sides can be used to represent a lot of real-world situations. You can reverse this process by writing a real-world situation for a given equation, and this is what we want to do here in this short video. So we have a situation that's modeled by the equation 150 plus 25x is equal to 55x. The books say we can look at this in 3 little steps. I'm more than sure that you can look at this right off the bat and say, oh, I understand, because I just really went through and did a good job with working that example 1, so now I know exactly what I'm doing. So let's see. Book says step 1, take a look at evaluating the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so we're looking at the left side of the equal sign, and this left side of the equal sign tells us that we have a constant, which is 150, plus addition, a variable term, and the variable term here on the left side is 25x. Now, this could represent the total cost for doing a job where there's an initial fee plus an hourly charge. Well, I mean, it seemed logical to me. Well, step 2 says take a look at the right side. So now the right side of the equation, it just consists of a variable term, and that variable term is 55x. There's no initial fee, there's no plus or minus anything there. So it could represent doing the same job based on just strictly hourly cost. So we could put this together by saying that this equation 150 plus 25x is equal to 55x, and let's just say it could represent a handyman charging $150 to give you an estimate, maybe, plus $25 an hour to paint your house. Well, that looks pretty good. You're looking at $25 an hour. He may not be there quite so long, but remember, he's charging you an initial fee of $150 right off the bat. Well, we won't really get into that detail and determine which one is better, but as you can see how you could use this situation to determine which one would be better. Then a handyman, should I say the painter, simply charges $55 an hour. No initial fee, no estimate fee, no consultation fee, just strictly $55 an hour. And what we want to know is how many hours would a job have to take, you know, for the handyman's fee and the painter's fee to be the same. So again, looking at an equation and turning that equation into words. Okay. Well, here we have another situation where we have 30x is equal to 48 plus 22x. So what I want you to do, you can look at what I perceived here, but I think it'll be really beneficial if you work this on your own to see what could you come up with. It could mirror mine, you know, if you like, but try and think of something that on your own merit of what you can do to create a situation. What I see is I see a tennis club charging $30 per session. That's my left side. $30 per session and to play tennis, and then another one charges an annual fee of $48 and $22 per session. So again, after how many sessions is the cost other two clubs the same. So again, look at this on your own and determine what could you put into words for this real world situation modeled by this particular equation. All right, I'll see you soon.